Hello all, welcome back again to our channel, All Things With Us, and welcome back again for another amazing video. So in today's video, it was a request. Some of you did ask me to show you how to make this Ottoman bench. This is for the lower side of the bed that is going to be acting as a storage. So today's client, I had to transform the bed, and also she requested me to make her this Ottoman bench. So I decided to record and show you how to make one, because some of you did ask me to show you how to make an Ottoman bench. So as you have seen in the previous clips, I did start making the bench, of which you can customize it to any size. So I'm not going to tell you the size of the Ottoman bench, because you just play or use the measurements of the place that you have. You can make it big, smaller, according to the space that you are going to be putting. And to make this Ottoman bench, you just need two long boards and two short boards, that is to make this rectangular shape. And this is the easiest Ottoman bench to make. As you can see in the video, you just join these pieces together, cover the pieces with the foam. You can use a quarter or a half-inch foam, and then cover it using the same fabric as the bed. That is basically what you're going to be doing. And then the top part, that is the one that you are going to be using to open and close it. That is where you are going to be making the design that you want. It can be a channel one, or tufted, or plain, according to the design that you want. So for this one, my client wanted it to look the same as the bed, which was a channel bed, and I'm going to be putting the bed clips at the end of the video. So make sure to stay tuned till the end of the video, so that you can see all the steps, all the processes, and everything that I did make in this video. Don't forget to like the video, comment on it, and share. And if you're new here, feel much welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thank you for always supporting us, coming back and watching our videos, liking them, and commenting on them.